This U.S. court case involves a tragic car accident that resulted in the death of a female passenger. The accident occurred on September 18, 2020, when Defendant 1, the driver under the influence of alcohol, was operating a car owned by Defendant 2. The driver crossed into oncoming traffic on U.S. Highway 401, resulting in a head-on collision with the victim's vehicle, ultimately leading to her death. The administrator of the victim's estate sued both defendants, alleging negligent driving by the driver and negligent entrustment by the car owner. A jury awarded $15 million in compensatory damages and $25 million in punitive damages. The driver was found liable for $5 million in punitive damages, while the car owner was held liable for $20 million. The trial court entered a judgment consistent with the jury's verdict. The North Carolina Court of Appeals upheld the trial court's decision, affirming the denial of both defendants' post-trial motions. The court ruled that sufficient evidence supported findings of negligent entrustment by the car owner and liability by the driver. The car owner's argument that more evidence was needed to establish her consent for the driver to operate the vehicle was rejected, as North Carolina law only requires implied or express consent for negligent entrustment. Regarding the $40 million award, the court found no abuse of discretion. It cited substantial evidence, including the victim's suffering before her death and her family's loss. The court also upheld the punitive damages as appropriate given the driver's impaired driving and the car owner's prior knowledge of the driver's history of intoxicated driving. This case underscores the importance of vehicle owners exercising discretion when lending their vehicles, particularly to individuals with known histories of impaired driving. If you lend your vehicle, assess the driver's competence and sobriety, as owners can be held accountable for negligent entrustment. Victims and their families should also know that in severe cases of reckless or impaired driving, courts may award substantial compensatory and punitive damages to address losses and deter similar behavior in the future. For more information, including details on the attorneys represented in this case, please check the description. Thank you for watching.